Hello everyone, our topic is Microorganisms Friends and 4 Part 5. In this video, we are going to talk about nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. Let us start with nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is an essential element for all living organisms. It is an important part for proteins, vitamins, nucleic acids such as deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and ribonucleic acid, that is RNA. About 78% of nitrogen is present in atmosphere, but living organisms cannot use that nitrogen directly. So how do animals and plants obtain nitrogen? They actually obtain nitrogen in usable forms such as ammonia, nitrites, nitrates, and other usable forms of nitrogen with the help of nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is a biochemical cycle through which nitrogen is circulated in various forms in our environment. It has 5 stages. These are nitrogen fixation, assimilation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. Now let us discuss the first stage, that is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is the conversion of gaseous nitrogen to a usable form such as ammonia or other compounds of nitrogen in the soil. In the atmosphere, some nitrogen gas is fixed through the action of lightning. Bacteria such as Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Nostoc are called nitrogen fixing bacteria as they are able to convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrates and nitrites. Rhizobium lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants and maintains the symbiotic relationship with the plant. Means plants and rhizobium bacteria get benefit from each other. Blue-green algae such as Azotobacter and Nostoc are free-living bacteria. Now let us discuss the second stage, that is nitrification. The process by which ammonia is converted into nitrite followed by nitrate in the soil with the help of bacteria is called nitrification. Bacteria such as Nitrosomonas oxidize the ammonia present in the soil and convert it into nitrite. Further, Nitrobacter bacteria oxidize nitrite into nitrate, which is a usable form for plants. The next stage is assimilation. Plants absorb the usable form of nitrogen from the soil with the help of roots and use them for the formation of proteins and other essential compounds. Through food chains and food web, nitrogen is transferred to animals. Fourth stage is ammonification. The decomposition of compounds of nitrogen such as proteins, urea, etc. present in dead remains of plants and animals into ammonia is called ammonification. It is carried out by decomposers such as bacteria and fungi. This process increases the concentration of ammonia in the soil, and also they decompose the organic matter. It also helps in cleaning the environment naturally. Now the final stage is called denitrification, the process in which nitrogen make its way back into the atmosphere. The conversion of nitrates into nitrogen gas with the help of bacteria such as Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus is called denitrification. This process completes the nitrogen cycle. In this way, the concentration of nitrogen in the atmosphere is maintained. This is all about nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. Thank you, students.